Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today I'm going to be talking about Australia's newest Zoysia grass variety, Zoysia Australis. Zoysia Australis is redefining what we would normally expect to see from a Zoysia grass. Australis is a tough and hardy, medium textured Zoysia grass with a beautiful blue-green leaf. It's a new Zoysia variety that provides solutions for Aussie families with its ability to be installed in a wide range of areas. It can stand up to the stresses of a family and pets and has shade tolerance to thrive where other grasses falter. This is a Zoysia grass that offers significant benefits and real points of difference from other turf grasses available on the market. Australis has shown a superior wear tolerance and the ability to recover quickly from damage when compared to other grasses. It has thrived and continues to thrive in the Australian climate just as it did in our US trials. Australis has shown an incredible speed of recovery from its spring renovation. These characteristics that Zoysia Australis has are not ones that we normally associate with other Zoysia grasses. Like most Zoysias, Australis has excellent shade tolerance once established. It can thrive in areas that receive as little as 4 hours of direct sunlight per day. Zoysia Australis has redefined what we come to expect from Zoysias, and it shows what can be achieved with a world-class turf breeding program. For more information about Zoysia Australis, please reach out to us here at Lawn Solutions or get in touch with your nearest Lawn Solutions Australia member.